The onions are chopped. Time to chop the garlic. Now what to add in tomato sauce? Toss in the pasta. I think that's it. First the garlic and onions. Mix it in. The meat goes in, just the whole meat. Break up the meat. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want to cook with me. Season it, and after we cook this, we're gonna add some tomato sauce. We're still breaking the meat. And now we add some tomato sauce. And now we mixed it until it turns red. Meet the first layer. Spread it. That's classic. Spread it neatly. Yep, you're correct. There it is. Now I know. Then do it. Just do it. Yep. Ricotta. Some ricotta. Made from milk or dairy. And Parmigiano, or whatever cheese it is. There it is. Some classic lasagna. That's my style. And now we're gonna put it in the oven. Now it's covered in aluminum foil, and now we're gonna put it in the oven. Careful, it's hot. Oh my goodness. I love the cheese, how it melts. Okay, the lasagna is completely cooked. Look at all the goodies. There it is, the lasagna. Now, time to add some Parmigiano. Yum. Taste test. That really tastes very good. Okay, everybody, make sure to like and subscribe and find the hidden item. Stay tuned for more videos.